Okay, so now we want to look at the new recorder. So if I click on Create Test, I'm going to select my project. We'll just use this recording project here. I'm doing it for an iPhone, and I'm going to hit Record Scripts. Now this takes a few seconds, so I'm going to pause the video and come right back when this finishes. But what this is doing is it's showing you each step as it goes through, and you can get an idea of the time. So I'll be right back. This usually takes about sometimes either a minute to 3 minutes, sometimes only 30 seconds. Now since our initial setup has finished, we come to this page right here. Now this page on the left hand side shows my app that I'm testing, and then on the right hand side is what I'd call my workspace. What we do is go up to the top and hit start recording. Immediately it starts opening up this window up here that we're going to call our scripts. What I'm going to do is select an element on the left hand side, and first thing I'm going to do is I want to verify the element is present. Now notice it started writing out the scripts. Immediately I want to go ahead and save a screenshot. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the one that we've got, and I'm going to hit click. And if you give it a second, you will notice that it actually creates, I did it twice, which is fine. And then if I say enter text, I'm going to say 15 and hit OK. Give it a few more seconds. It's entering it there. We're going to go ahead and select this next element, and here I want to verify the element is present. Now, granted, you don't have to because we know it's going to be there, but I kind of like to. I'm going to go ahead and do another screenshot, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that one. I'm going to try to click it just once this time. Double click doesn't hurt either. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter in text. Now here what I'm going to do is enter in just 10. Doesn't matter. Just wants a random integer. Now keep in mind this is my app. Yours would be completely different. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do another screenshot. And then I'm going to click this button here called Compute Sum. I want to verify the element is present. Now again, you don't have to, but what I'm trying to do is show you how complex the script can be. It can be a very long script, a very short script. What we're going to do here, of course, if I just hit click, then what that's going to do is actually going to populate our data. So we'll go ahead and take another screenshot. And then what I'm going to do is I want to verify the element is present. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So I'm kind of happy with this. There's a lot more I can do with this. I can use the keyboard. I can collapse the keyboard. There's plenty that you can do by growing out your scripts. Now saying that, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to download my scripts. Now, just be patient. It's downloading now. If I go ahead and go to my downloads folder, I will see that it downloaded as a zip file until it's completely finished. Let me just double check because it should be. Okay, so let's go look at our zip file. We'll take this one. When notice it downloads as a zip, we'll go ahead and extract it. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it here so we can see what files it created. Here, if we notice, it has created all the files we needed. It has our application that we tested, our YAML file, and our automation scripts and everything. If we go back over here, we can go back to our portal. And now at this point, I can select my project. And now I can upload those scripts and start my testing. This takes a few minutes to finish uploading, but you're good to go. There we go. All 4 files are uploaded. Now I can save my test and I can run my test at this point. I did real quick wanted to show you the finished test. So let's go ahead and I ran the test. Let's go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, this was the status of the test we just recorded. And if I click on screenshots, give it a few seconds to finish loading, you'll be able to see the screenshots that we took while we were recording. There we go. So as you see, these are the screenshots that we took as we were moving through creating our test scripts with our recorder.